Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious recipes from around the world. Today, we're making a simple yet comforting classic, Lebanese rice with vermicelli. Fluffy, golden, and lightly toasted. It's the perfect base for Mediterranean dishes or to enjoy on its own. We'll start by heating a pan over medium-low heat. Then, add in 2 tablespoons of pine nuts. We'll toast them gently until golden. Fun fact, pine nuts are actually seeds of pine trees. Cultivating them is a lengthy process, where the pine cones take about 3 years to mature. These little guys go from perfectly nutty to charcoal in seconds, so keep them moving. Once ready, we'll set them aside for later garnish. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and toss in about half a cup of vermicelli noodles. This is the secret step to make Lebanese rice special. Toasting the vermicelli until golden brown deepens the flavor, adding a rich, nutty base that plain rice just can't pull off. Vermicelli is a thin noodle, usually made with rice, like what we're using. However, you can get them made of wheat or mung beans. Now we'll stir in 1 cup of jasmine rice. You can also use basmati or any other long grain rice. Jasmine is kind of our go-to long grain rice. We'll toast it until the grains turn milky white. Not only does this give the rice a lovely aroma, but it helps the grains stay fluffy and separate, as opposed to mushy. Remember, we're not making a risotto, even though risottos are delicious. Next, we add in 2 cups of vegetable broth. If you don't have vegetable broth, you can use water here as well. This just gives it that extra bit of flavor. Along with half a teaspoon of salt. Be sure to adjust the salt to your preference, and especially if the broth is salted, like ours is. Now we'll increase the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, we'll lower the heat to a simmer, cover it, and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes, until all the liquid has evaporated and the rice is fluffy and tender. Once done, we'll uncover and gently fluff with a fork. This isn't just to show off. This helps to release the trapped excess steam, which could overcook the rice and make it sticky or mushy. Then we top it off with the toasted pine nuts, along with some freshly chopped parsley. And if you're feeling fancy, a sprinkle of slivered almonds for that extra crunch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. For the full written recipe, check out the link in the video description box below, or visit us at berrylife.com for tons more delicious recipe ideas. This dish has been a staple of Middle Eastern cuisine for centuries. In Lebanon, it's on nearly every dinner table, from weeknight meals to festive gatherings. It's a comfort food with history, and like all comfort foods, each family has their own version. There you have it, Lebanese rice, a supremely satisfying taste of the Mediterranean, right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!